Hi there guys, it's Peter Jan here. We are in the Eskort kitchen and we are busy with the festive season. This is going to be recipes for your festive table. We are making a gold medal pork sausage stuffing that goes with a beautiful chicken roast. So the sausages you just remove from the casing for the stuffing. In the bowl I've got 750 grams, it's our biggest packet of pork sausages. To this I'm adding some chopped garlic, some chopped red chili, salt and pepper, 3 cups of breadcrumbs, and then I've got 2 leeks that's been chopped, fried, and then just cooled down a little bit. We are chopping some thyme and some sage. You don't have to chop it too finely. We've got some whole grain mustard. And then I'm going to grate 2 Granny Smith apples. I use this apple because it has a beautiful sourness to it that's going perfectly with your pork. We're going to get into this with our hands because that's the best tool that we were ever given. So let's use it. Okay, please make sure that all of your ingredients is cold, especially the leeks that you fried. Make sure it cool down properly before you add it to the mixture. And then your stuffing is going into the fridge. Okay, this is beautiful. Okay, guys, so our stuffing is ready. Then for the chicken part, you can ask your butcher to debone a chicken for you. Okay guys, so the deboned chicken that we got, we stuffed with our beautiful gold medal pork sausage stuffing, and I'm quickly just going to tie this whole thing together. It's going into the oven, a beautiful hot 200-degree oven for 1 hour. So we are going to add some butter to the skin to get it crispy. So just on top, a couple of slices of butter, salt and pepper to the butter. There we go. Into the oven for 1 hour, 200 degrees. Beautiful. Okay guys, so this beautiful beast was in the oven. It's ready, 1 hour, and it's perfect. So what's great about this is you can almost slice it as a whole roast from top to end. So I'm just going to help this situation along here. The stuffing came beautifully. It's beautiful.